Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be working with words that have ET, IT, and ATE at the end of the words. We will have a couple of oddballs this week due to the sounds not matching the regular sound of the pattern. So let's go ahead and take a look through our words. We're going to start in our first column. We have jacket, secret, ballet, pirate, senate, habit, summit, orbit. Then we have edit, private, target, racket, buffet, comet, closet, and magnet. And then we have climate, unit, credit, limit, quiet, rocket, bandit, merit. So this week we're going to be working with words that have an ending syllable of ET. We have an ending syllable of IT and an ending syllable of ATE. And then obviously we have our oddballs this week, so we'll look at those. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our headers. So jacket obviously ends in ET, so you're going to put that in the category of a word with a syllable that's ending with ET. Then we have edit. That's going to go with your IT, climate, and you'll notice they kind of all have the same ending sound, just different spellings. And then we do have our oddballs. So let's go ahead and take a peek at those. Our two oddballs this week are ballet and buffet. These two words end with the A sound, so that does not match the pattern of et at the end of our words at the final syllable. So you're going to want to pay attention to that. You hear A, ballet, and you hear buffet, even though they're spelled with the ET. All right, kiddos, if there are any words on this list that you are unsure of, please make sure you raise your hand and see your teacher so they can give you a little bit more explanation on the word. Happy sorting!